The second edition of the Mindfulness India Summit 2019 is currently underway in Mumbai. It is Asia's most revered conference on emotional intelligence, neuroscience and positive psychology to achieve sustainable goals and astute leadership. Here's more.
All agree
Asia's largest annual event on mindfulness is being held in Mumbai. The summit focuses on the role of emotional intelligence and mindfulness training to strengthen an individual's organizational performance. At a time when stress at workplaces has become the norm, evidently skewed work-life balance is contributing to physical and mental ill health. Mindfulness practices are taking center stage with a certain urgency.
People are from education, people are from spirituality, people are coming from health, people are coming from even from the government level. Police people are coming. So we see that there is a growing need and people are understanding the value of mindfulness in their life.
Spread over 2 days, the one-of-its-kind event is hosting industry stalwarts and business leaders from across the world to share their insights into what industries are doing to bring mindful performance at work.
Our demands are increasing, we're having to multitask all the time, and as a result of which it really dissipates our energy. So if we're able to get ourselves back, center ourselves and be in the present moment for that point in time, I think it really helps in becoming more efficient, becoming calmer individuals, being more aware of our thoughts, our experiences.
Participants would also be introduced to various contemplative mindfulness practices that dramatically reduce stress and anxiety.
Talking about mindfulness, which is this ancient and very simple practice of simply becoming aware of present experience with acceptance. And it turns out that if we can train our hearts and our minds to be able to do that, it gives us a great deal more psychological flexibility, and in fact it reduces levels of stress and psychological suffering a tremendous amount.
Yet another aspect of the Mindfulness Summit is the presence of monks with the objective to promote learning and healing through Buddhist sacred performance and visual art called mandala.